this woman, soul of my soul. Yeah, I love this woman. I love this woman, angel of my life.
Wait, Mira, wait, I can't go any further now. You have to explain to me. See, what are we doing here? Eh? And you just told your driver to take everything, take my phone, the iPad, our bags, everything, and take it back to Lagos. See, you have to explain to me here and now. I'm not going anywhere.
I know if I had told you, you wouldn't have followed me to this place. Yes.
Huh? I don't understand you. Where are we?
I don't know either. But I know we are somewhere in Enugu State and I'm going to do a community project.
Huh? What kind of community project will you be doing? Without your crown, the press, and other members of your entourage?
I want to serve as a village girl. I want to be a local girl. I want to feel the pains of the rural dwellers. I want to eat with them, sit with them, talk with them, so I will know where exactly to help them. I want to assist them. Mira, I can only achieve this by being a village girl.
Babe, I cannot survive in this kind of place. Hey, my ATM, no money, my bag, everything is inside the car. How are we going to survive here? And I don't know how much you have with you.
I don't have any money either. We are going to sell off what we are putting on, including our watches, jewelries, so we can get okay clothes to enable us stay in this village. Yes, that is what we are going to do.
Where's that coming from? Mira!
Where are you going to?
I am running away from a sane beauty queen who has suddenly gone insane. Eh? See, Francis might not have gone far. So me, I'm going to, I don't even know. I'm going to look for a call center around here where I can call my phone. Then he will pick up and I'll tell him to wait for me there. Then I'll take a bike. Where is bike safe? I will take a bike and go and meet him there.
You don't need to worry yourself. Because I already told him to go back to the city. And until we are done, he is not coming back. I will tell him when to come back. So let's just go. Please, Mira, I need you. I need you around me, please. Let's go.
So, how are we going to survive here? We'll be eating our feces and drinking our urine. Eh?
No, I didn't say that. Let's just go and look for menial jobs to do. We can get anything to do just to make money, raise money and take care of ourselves till when I'm done with the project. Please, I beg you.
But I'm tired first.
Mira, please, let's go.
Leave me.
Let's go, for Christ's sake.
Hey!
The room is 1,500 naira a month. And I am taking 6 months advance. So if you people have the money to pay, you have it. If you don't, you can go and look there as well.
Okay, no, but if you know, look.
Hey, wait. I beg we will pay for 4 months. So that in one way, small one will go. You can go buy things like Gute.
Good guy.
Buy not this stove, not this cookery, if you just this cooked meat.
Cookery.
More giddy. When we get money, again we will pay you more.
Look me well. As you see me so, I suffer well.
No,
for Equatorial Guinea.
I see him.
To make money come build this house. So I dey pray God. Say one day when I go hustle well, come build una own, even if I want room. So if you have the money to pay for 6 months, you have it. If not, I don't have time for your nonsense talk.
Okay? If I say you know.
We'll pay.
Okay, waiting be on a job. What you know they do?
Okay. You see this man was down here. Nankete plus 1 keta. Wonders. Would they do so many wonders? So would they clean everywhere, clearing and forwarding? Would they do merchant? I know merchant man. Everything would they, in fact, name it. If your house is dirty now, even if you watch yourself put. If you don't go bath you, everything would they do with acrobatic limited. Limited.
Did you say limited? Which means na robbery when I want rob. Because no man for this village fit be limited with company. Yes. And as I see una so, and the suspect una since, but as I don't make them clear to me, I want to say una day for the wrong place. Because you see, for this village, I may be the head or the vigilante. So if you not try anything stupid, we will use una meat, do pepper soup for the gods.
This robbery where you talk, so you not there. So this English way they hear. I'm Tramuta. Now here we hear that from. Because it is sweet, acrobatic. I will be business. Much and nice. Much because I'm a German. They wash full house. Wash inside, they wash toilet. Clean and go for and they have a walk. Now, because they will say some people when they talk, they hear merchandise for their mouth. You can't copy and say the English sweet. You get one who forget where the sweet who that one sweet part. You know for you talk and well as they talk. So I want big please. Beg. Give us the house.
Anyway.
If you see thief, you go no. Oh, it's an as I be like this. I feel wrong. Now what I go to I feel jump fence.
I am going to give you people a room, but not empty room.
Hi.
Okay. No, I want to give you my son's room. It has everything. Bed, chair, anything that you need in the house is there. So that I can always monitor you people closely. So that I can keep my eyes on you.
Anyway, we won't put us where we even monitor. You see? Okay. So, look, we'll pay.
Of course you will pay.
Give me our back.
So, this is it all. This is the best I can offer you girls. Me, I'm a farmer and a young widow. And my husband's elder brother has gone to the city to make a living. This used to be his room. People are welcome to stay here for as long as you want. Okay? After all, your company will do me a world of good. Loneliness was my greatest problem. Thank you very much, Auntie. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Let me leave you girls to go in and rest now. I just plucked some fresh corn from the farm. So Kamgazi, when I go, I'll cook it. When it's done, put this here and we'll eat together. Thank you. You can go in and rest. Thank you. All right, see you.
Thank you.
See, Flo.
I am sure that I'm not going to survive in this kind of place. This place is too dirty now. See, I'm sure I'm going to die. Please.
If you die, I will bury you.
You just don't believe it.
We don't come, we say we don't come.
I have to go.
We don't come, we say we don't come.
You never.
Anything will go make us stay good. Now they look for.
If I'm not going to do my own back and I
my people.
don't come.
My people.
I'm not open. You couldn't be.
We don't come, we say we don't come.
I have to open. I have to wear.
Now maybe getting oil and gas.
Open up kitchen. A man or a man.
Getting oil and gas.
Open man on a man or kitchen.
We declare, we forward it.
I know she can't put it.
Clear well.
I know she ain't in fact. I'm just putting it.
I will do merchandising.
I know so bad now. I'm a cancunin.
An acrobat.
Not can't.
Acrobat.
Not I want it.
So if you get anything we want to for you, make you tell us.
Oh, what is your kind of? I have what I have.
As we go, so we don't they go.
I know.
Okay, come back, please. Come back.
If we are blessed, call us.
Why?
I'm going to go to school first.
I want to go where I didn't get.
Exactly.
night, even my bed, it don't complain. It be like say I done the grace, but me I not complain, yeah. And so I wanna fill the space with a woman of my dream. Love of my life, angel of my life, soul of my soul. And when you die,
Mira, if we go the third time, we shall be making 300 naira.
Me, I'm not going anywhere again, no. See, my head is about to break. I'm gonna try it though. Ha!
Mira, that is the reason why we are here. I mean, some people have done this all their lives and they are still living. You've gone just twice and you are about to die. My foundation will have to sink boreholes to alleviate their problems. I mean, the feeling is so good. So that when I talk about it, it will be something I've felt.
Who carried me to follow this girl to this place? What kind of surprise is this? Please,
Mira, let's go.
Please, let's leave this place now. We have experienced it. It's over now. Let's rest. Let's rest. Wait, Mira, stop now. My head is breaking now. What can you stop?
You guys are really entertaining. I've never seen anything like this.
We clean everything, everywhere, anywhere inside. If we clean bodies, if you say me go bathroom now, if me go, you don't check your day now.
Not the only body. Where you move from?
See that
The village where we go first. If they see us again, they don't allow us go. Everybody they happy. You know so they do merchandise. And
acrobatic.
That one they say. We do that. So anybody where they with us, no matter how many people were there, they must be happy till we finish.
Sit up, man. Hey, fine girl. We are through. Let's get on area to cover.
Okay, now. You guys are really entertaining. Thanks.
You're okay.
When you come around tomorrow, I'll cook for you. Then I'll even teach Kitty how to speak proper English.
No problem. You will come tomorrow.
Okay, now. Bye-bye.
Working hard. You mean you have made 300 naira already? Here. Oh. That means by the time you stay up to 3 months, your bags will be full of money.
Sister Zopa, we've decided to give you half of the money and keep half for ourselves. Yes, because you've been feeding us and also housing us.
Yeah. Mba kwao. Mba. This is Enugu. And our hospitality is known far and wide. Yes. I am here thinking I am not doing enough for you girls. And you want to give me the small money that you have made. Mba. Yeah. And I mean maybe come. But come to think of it. You girls are good girls. Other girls with half your beauty, they will will be out there practicing prostitution. But you choose to come and live in the village and work. You girls are wonderful.
I tell you what, a wise woman once told me that whatever you do in this world, people see. Yes, they see. And good things will always come to people who work hard and wait patiently for it.
Thank you so much. Hey, Sister Zuka, we want to go to the farm with you tomorrow. We want to learn how to weed so we can make more money for ourselves.
No problem now. Tomorrow morning. No, okay. But when I get there, I will teach you the latest techniques. No dry season way, so I'm with the style.
Okay.
No problem. No, as early as 5.
Okay. See, those boys, what was it for Village Square with the masquerade? How do you see them? I got your we need them. We need them.
Need them how?
It's how. People need genchi. No man. Ocean went. If you reach us, I go tell you. Okay. Those guys who sit today for this village, among all of them, they don't kitchen and money by the
all of them. My heart, let me took him for neck.
Or travel neck. Now that is your man. The man can't say batch to my by which I would say, initiate that
one to lie. But my heart, they make him for neck.
Okay. If you say a neck, if I reach us, I go resign from Nkete Associate Limited. It's a commodity from us. But man, I go never know him before. Hey, man.
Gate. You go back gate. No. We go find a person who go there gate. I go carry you go up. You go there for my
Nazo.
Not BPA.
Okay.
APC.
Above APC. No combat. Okay. Conductor. We know what is conductor.
But aid them. See them.
After I go, I look at it, make one type.
Okay.
You know now.
No problem. But I don't carry up. You go to chop better man.
Yes.
That one is good.
So I keep searching and searching and searching everywhere. I keep searching and searching everywhere.
Thank you very much. I don't know if you cook like this.
Oh, it's nothing. Nice, Abby.
You do well, I beg. Thank you. But they come out now, the onions go to get the smell from onions of this thing. So when you marry you, you go punish her with food.
When you say.
Thank you again for that cat where you accept.
I don't even know what it signifies, so can you tell me?
And I won't tell you now. this issue of marriage and things and the top, look into my heart. The name I am. No, if you accept cats, one cat like this, you hear the heart of me. Which means your heart they make nothing. And my own they make nothing. So our hearts they make nothing. I won't make two of us this benefit of that for the ways that we go get a pass.
No problem, I've accepted you. If you don't have a problem with me and I also don't have a problem with you, then everything will be fine.
I'll come and look because I go for this wedding. Tomorrow I'll keep the nest. When I close from work.
Yeah? Now let me walk, let me see.
When I close from work, I'll come. Yeah?
Alright.
Hey, did you get? What did you try to do?
No, I just wanted to climb the palm tree and cut some palm fruits.
For this land? Women don't come planting for this land. Don't you have tradition in your place? If you try this, our land will kill you. Don't try it. This land they forbid them. Huh? Look at your man. I'll look into him. I'm gonna when I go. This land will kill you if you try it. I don't shave. Finish.
Flo, hey, Flo, see how you wanted to put us into trouble here? Hey, you want to come to the village, you want to eat what they eat, you want to do what they do. Now you almost got me into trouble. See, come, let's go back to Lagos. So they said they are, I don't know, whatever will kill us. Please, let's go back to Lagos, please.
Because of this man just said me. That's why you're accusing me. What about the ones I've done right? If I didn't come here to climb this palm tree, how would I have known that women don't climb palm tree?
Flo, please, come, let's go back to Lagos. I don't want trouble. I don't want to die. They said that this thing will kill us. Please, I don't know. All these kind of things. That's it. You're still looking. They will still kill us here now. Go. You want to climb, you want to do village work. You want to do what village? Be going, let's be going.
Mazikwe, I'm your house now. I hear you brought some boys into this village who are becoming so popular and want to take over my swag. Why?
Yes, and they have already taken over, and I'm very proud of them. The Ankete Star and Woko Wanketa incorporated with acrobatic and charismatic merchandise in clearing and forwarding all the dirty business in this village. Yes. And they are adding it entertainment with swag. So what is your problem?
Mazikwe, people are no longer enjoying my show or even dash me money as usual. It is all about them now. And the girls too are falling all over them. Soon I'll become a man of no relevance in this village, all because of you.
And so what? And so what, Jaja? What exactly is your problem?
I want them to leave. Yes. I will deal with them.
Ta, thunder, bend your mouth. Therefore, coming here talking all that nonsense. I, the chief security of this village, dare you to touch even a strand of their hair, and you'll be gone.
Me? Moa?
Yes, you. Everybody in this community is happy with them. The girls and women are happy. Even Dikeh is happy too. You are the only one who seems to have a problem with them. What is your problem? You know what? You are nothing but a devil.
What? Me?
You!
Me, man.
You dead and one talk, you!
Me, devil! It's alright.
The question.
We shall see. We shall all see in this village. We shall see. Nonsense.
If not for the sake of God, I will dissect you with this knife. I will dissect you with this knife. Don't try me again. Stupid idiot.
Don't you think we've done everything? And we've seen everywhere in this village? And we've seen everywhere that needs help. So I think it's high time we go back to the city. You know, so we can return in your full glory and help them.
Mira, you're right. By tomorrow morning, I shall inform Sister Azoka. I mean, we need to go. But I can't believe that people could be going through this kind of pain and still be happy with their lives.
Yeah. You know, I myself, I've seen things in this village. See, I won't even support your foundation. I see these things on TV and I used to think it was a movie. But being here, I've really learned what these rural people go through. So even if it's one hospital bed, I'm going to donate. No.
That's why they said some things are better experienced than imagined. Mira, I thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's okay. I'm sorry for, you know, I was just overwhelmed. This place is not easy at all. My see.
Thank you.
It's fine. Let's just go, okay?
Okay. No vessel. Sorry to disturb you. It gets you what I want to tell you. I don't know where you go. No vessel.
What's that?
We're gonna buy this in the cow. Okay, as that get the things accept you speedily, you know, I don't understand. Anything we do, they like fast. I don't understand again.
She's too fast.
Other guys, we know say they can find out. The other guys where we walk past day. What would they do this getting star movement and all that? They accept and they like them. So they still they push a guy for inside. And but this one, anything, bang, shoulder, yeah. We don't go, man.
Anyway, I think you made a point there.
Aye.
Any man who is not prepared the way it's supposed to be, that's a good get them. I will change the matter the latest. But I think the very best thing is I have to disguise again. Change clothes with the time again.
Do let him they carry shit.
Exactly. Let's change. And see if she really
yeah.
love me. Another one is keeping the secret. It's you. I know what I'm saying. Because if you leak any secret, and you know me very well.
Okay, I know we'll try it now. I know where I'll come this place.
Sleep.
Good night, sir.
You mean you're in love with that village man that goes around doing all dirty jobs?
Yes, I am crazily in love with him. Not only that, he fascinates me.
Really? This is unbelievable.
I'm going to brush him up and he's going to be the best man in the world.
Hey! Wonders they say shall never end. You, Nneka, the heartbreaker, that turns every head around, go settling down with a peasant. Hey!
He makes me happy. That's all I know.
Can you show yourself again?
Here
he comes. Wonder shall never end.
Where
are you coming from? What's that smell?
Where are you coming from?
From our company. We go to clear and forward dirty. So we'll call them a book. I want me want the rest.
What? Shit?
I can't take this, but just get out of here. Just get out.
Good.
Halfway.
But you don't say you go help me.
I don't think I can help you anymore. Just go.
Okay. I will go, but you will give me water, make a bath. When I bath finish, you give me scent.
You know what? This thing, I cannot help you anymore. Just get out. Get out of here. Just get out. Just go. What's all this?
Mirabelle. Mirabelle, please get a seat and come and help me.
No, please now. Please, please now. If you want to be suffering this thing now, be doing it alone now. Please now, don't even move me now. Please now, I'm even still sleeping, safe.
Mira, so you're telling me you won't help me?
No, sorry. See, just be doing it. Don't worry, be doing it.
I dey call the number, I know they go. And I don't know whether I get another number. We are for use caller. This house is too big for me. I dey fear. Only me not fit stay for here. Abi, make I go check inside the motor whether he go give me. No face, I beg. I think my mama for that beg you. No face. I don't know. So they know they talk to you. No face. Even if I not follow for people where they give you enter inside you, I beg. No face, I beg. Forgive me. My number one thing collect. As a guy don't answer call you. I don't even know the other number where I want to call her. I say make I call you to whether I get the number. I beg you give me the number if you get. You no face, I beg. My name is Mary Osunbemi. I come from Osun. Now me be the cooker for this house. Now me they cook for all the people where they for this house. Even the one where they can't carry give you. Now me they cook them. No face. No face now. I beg. Hey, no say Calebio. I don't enter. I beg no face. That could give me. Give me your guard number. I won't call them. This house they fear me only. I don't know say you there say. You to say I know. I for not fear. I for not if you can't say I won't come begin look for number. As I don't know, say you there now. No more fear. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Forgive me. I beg. Now I know say you there around. I don't fear again. Make I sit down there. No, Abi. Where I make I go sit down. Make I stand. Make our face there. Watch ourselves. Thank you. Not the way they talk.
I have heard you. And even though I know I will miss you girls a lot, I have no choice. I have to let you go. Since you say you must go and see your mother, that you have been dreaming of her lately, I will not stop you. But Flossie, you know you can talk to me. If there is anything I have done to offend you that is sending you away, all you have to do is tell me and I will apologize. I am only human and not above mistakes. People want
Auntie, you've not done anything to us. I promise you very soon we will be doing. You've been like a mother to us. Auntie, I just need to go and see her. I need to go and see her. She's sick. Please.
Alright. In that case, in the evening I'll go to the farm and get some oranges and fresh vegetables for you to take to me.
first, we have to go and prepare lunch. Okay?
This thing is delicate, yo. I'ma not be play, yo. I be Wonder Man, Wonder Passy, Wonder, Kitty, but I'm kitty, Omo, you want.
You know, see, if you don't follow me now, no, that guy don't get me finished.
No fit. And I make me follow you now, and I'm your boy.
That's what Nika be. But that will give me heart.
Yes.
You give me heart. So what do we do, eh? We'll go find these Ogene boys. Where they follow us.
Okay.
We'll go try and kill this your man and others.
Okay, no first, I beg. You come now, I think I'll beg you. You know, say, yeah, and the gizzards like you know, passion. We're buying a way back. My boss, I'm going to go. What are you worried about? That
woman when they sell
Abacha.
No good.
I don't look left and right, I no tire. I don't find my missing lead. Somebody find my missing lead.
Madam, I am greeting you with energy that you worship.
You're welcome.
This is to introduce Nkete Star Group of Company. You see, we do all kinds of work, acrobatic and merchandise. You understand? See, if you have daughter, that makes it better. Because we do carrying and forwarding of any yama in their rooms, you know, and we do it with entertainment, you know, music, and the masquerade. They are more. And if you want it also, I know.
Okay, I have heard about you people. But as it is, unfortunately, I have 2 lovely girls living with me.
Okay.
And they do everything I need for me. So as it is now, I will not be needing your services.
Even if you don't need our service, you need your own. This is the better is free, not the
free.
I don't know.
You see, we, I'm there as well. Would they do everything for everybody? For you now, are they happy to tell you?
Means I will.
What?
I'm still the same Jaja, the dandy boy. See, I remain the biggest boy in this village with the best swag. I don't know why you are running away from me. Feel my swag now, just feel my swag.
Look, Jaja, your time in this village is up. The reigning people now in this village are Nkiti and Woku. I have done everything for Nkiti to propose to me, but I don't know why he's looking away from me. Other girls are loving him too. But the fight is that who is going to grab the star man, Nkiti, and not you, Jaja.
Huh? Why are you insulting me now?
Madman.
Observe, you talk to me that way? Me? Okay, we shall see. We shall know who owns this village, the strangers or the indigenous. We shall know.
Nkete, this is the 3rd time you are coming to my house today.
Yes.
With gifts.
Yeah.
Even after entertaining me free of charge. Or do one.
That time we had to entertain you, now we'll talk. Yeah? That time we had to entertain you. Again, people will stand, somebody will stand. Wait from you. Last time, like I go bring this swagger gift of the year. Make her come, make her tell you, say, that thing when they had to say, I want to thank you as the way for me.
Yeah. They are inside packing their bags. They will be leaving tomorrow. Huh? Oh, Zinama, I don't know the one that waved you now.
That red one.
Let I go call them. Cambia, oh.
Do you see my madam? Ring me alarm.
come alive, I like something when they alive. I don't like that thing.
So you're trying to say that you like living things and not dead things?
Yes. That means
Me also, I like living things. And that's why I've decided to give you this. As you wish me life, I wish you life too.
Oh, this wood up. Wood up. Let's go. Okay.
I like this.
You're fine, boy.
You like it?
Yeah, make good.
Help me show him where to drop it.
What? Why?
Not the same. Anything will go give me happiness for okay.
Okay.
Go away from me. Okay. You don't make my day. No wonder. You want to just say, you and your sister, I want to tire. I go walk. Me, I dey follow for people when they talk say, may God bless you.
Do you know you're a very interesting person?
Thank you.
I'm just a poor girl who is trying to survive. After we finished school, we couldn't get a job over there at the city. So we decided to come look for something to do here, at least to make money and take care of ourselves.
You already taking care of people. I know, I'm self, but the way you help people. Now God, carry you come to me. I've been carry me come to you. I carry us. Eh? Hey, you be beautiful. The time when God they create human being, the man when they hold bucket of color, has God just color. Just carry all the color, take a bath. Your color come fine. Any human being when you see evil spirit, it doesn't like this guy. Me, I won't say thank you. Because come together. I want to make you be my friend. The friend when they tell you don't be friend, where friend no back. In a friend, in the top, better friend. So that we will solve ourselves problem. We will be important to each other. Very soon.
Don't worry, I've accepted to be your friend. But don't change from who you are. You have to be a sincere person, like the way you are. I'm going to personally teach you English.
All this while they blow, it's not nothing. While they sleep for that, they read anything. In the calendar, passport, anything. Piss me off.
Take care of my little chick with a physio. Don't let anything happen to it.
Lazy. See, I like you. If you like, do I can do it.
If you guys are really men, come out for the challenge. Come out. Let's have a contest. I'm a champion in this village, and everybody knows it. If you know that you guys are really men, come out. Let's have a challenge. Let me tear you into pieces.
Master! Next time you try that rubbish, I'll kill you like a bushmeat.
I like him. And Kitty the star boy.
By whom? Flo, we came here for a research. We have finished the research. We are leaving here tomorrow. And you're there, liking a village champion who is a garbage collector. I cannot even speak English properly. Okay.
Don't worry about that. He has a good heart. I'm deeply convinced he's going to make me happy. That's what matters.
You know what, Flo? I am not even going to argue with you. If I see, I'm never ever going to argue with you on anything. Just take me out of this village and I'm good, please. That is all I'm asking you to do.
It's okay now, we are leaving tomorrow.
That's what I want to hear.
I just wish I can see you once more.
Hey.
I think she's the best. Among all the ones who've seen so far. You know, she gave me a gift. And this gift is according to her own level. Understand? And I also give her a gift which she accepted. To the level I think I belong to then for her. She accepted.
I know this. This way talking are true as I am. But my heart not to listen as so that nigga. This starting on the Dushala. This one called.
I won't take this. I won't take your advice now. Yes, yeah. But what we do is to give her another trial. Plot anything.
Okay, but see, my mind see the so you know that in front now. What is in sister? Yes. I don't supposed to them. I look into your eyes. I see some LGBT.
Just do that. Plan, plot anything. Try them again.
Okay, now sir.
Plot anything. Just let's try her. If she falls out, then she join others. Keep searching.
I see your mind there for this one. Not I yield. I don't
I think she's the best. Among all the ones who've seen so far. You know, she gave me a gift. And this gift is according to her own level. Understand? And I also give her a gift which she accepted. To the level I think I belong to then for her. She accepted.
I know this. This way talking are true as I am. But my heart not to listen as so that nigga. This starting on the Dushala. This one called.
I won't take this. I won't take your advice now. Yes, yeah. But what we do is to give her another trial. Plot anything.
Okay, but see, my mind see the so you know that in front now. What is in sister? Yes. I don't supposed to them. I look into your eyes. I see some LGBT.
Just do that. Plan, plot anything. Try them again.
Okay, now sir.
Plot anything. Just let's try her. If she falls out, then she join others. Keep searching.
I see your mind there for this one. Not I yield. I don't
Hold on. 080 331 05 546. Just run now is saying sweet stuff. Were you not here when I warned Francis not to keep us waiting?
Francis cannot be serious in this life. That guy is useless. Eh? See, there's no need worrying ourselves, yeah? Let's just wait till we come, okay? Me, the most important thing to me right now is just to leave this village. Eh? So we'll go somewhere When we get to Enugu, I'll use the ATM. Then we stay in the hotel. Tomorrow we can continue. So far, we'll just leave today. Then just hang around and wait for him. Thank you. But we're leaving today, oh. I cannot stay here again.
Good afternoon. How are you people doing?
Fine, we're happy. But happy and more happier.
Where my baby? I want to carry her back to park before going.
Flogsy.
Yeah.
Here. They left very early in the morning. In fact, if their bus is filled, they would have arrived in Enugu by now.
How I should do that canteen and me and they prepare better bye-bye for her. What are they prepare presidential bye-bye for?
Why don't you try the village to park? If their bus never fit, you fit catch up.
Sure you see my madam, link me alarm. Anywhere she there, make it tell them say somebody they find them oh. My love for Don Colo.
It's ringing now and the jot is not picking.
Maybe he's driving. Just keep trying.
Trying now.
I pray he fails to come so that I can see Nkiti once again and enjoy his company. Such a local happy champ with a good heart and life filled with hope.
Are you talking to us?
No. Just keep trying.
He's still ringing. You okay?
Whoa, what's happening with you now? See how far you're just looking. You're just freshening up. See, I'm rushing to Enugu now to pick my madam. You know how that woman is. If I waste time now, she'll start shouting. When I come back, I'll see you. Why are you doing like this now? Give me one. When I go, will I buy for you?
Jewelry. You know I love jewelry.
You don't want Mr. Biggs?
No.
Or crunches? Okay. Just let me rush and come back.
Hello, madam. Madam, yes, madam, I dey on the channel. Madam, I beg, no vex. I just rush go see my sister who I never see for like 12 years now. I just rush go see her for her house. Madam, I go there in Enugu in 1 hour. In 1 hour, they blow enter there now. I carry everything they come. I carry everything. Madam, I beg, no vex. I never call you. I supposed to call you, but I no get time for my phone. Okay. Thank you, ma. Okay, bye-bye.
What is this?
See, I want to kill myself. Oh. That's why I'm going to a house to inform you.
My house? Yes. Why?
See, some boys, Nkita and Woko, they are spoiling my business in this village, and nobody gives me money again. So I want them to leave, else I'll kill myself.
Jaja, I don't understand you. Why do you think I have the power to send anybody out of this village? And me, I don't want you to kill yourself now, Jaja. What do you want me to do now?
I have gone to Mamekwe, Mayakara, even Nemeka, all of them are coming out to demonstrate for the boys to leave. Else, I'll kill myself and you will bury me with this coffee in your house.
God forbid. Oh no, oh man, me, bury you with which coffin? In which house? Listen to me. You know that I am not the evil. Neither am I in the Ichie or any powerful man in this town. To be able to chase anybody out. Mind what you're doing. Jaja! 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 How many times have I called you?
I was not listening.
You are not listening. Okay. Jaja! Jaja! Wait a second. Jaja!
If I'm to see a mouse small like this, that's my problem.
Okay, I'm going to do like this. Oh, first it does say they go, come back. Let me get patient now.
You know, that's my heart. They do like this. I don't even think another thing. The only thing where I saw the toss like it didn't have work. Wait, sit down. I bet I'm no best. Don't you get that phone this over that place?
And make up.
We get one girl with the fan with the still here. Name fine girl like this.
Are you talking of one flaws in her sister Mera?
You know them? That's it.
Yes. They came to my shop before I closed. Yes. They were saying something like 1 hour. It's like somebody's coming to pick them the next 1 hour. But I don't know who the person is.
Thank you, my dear. That's what I do.
Yes. Now you now come.
Hey, guys.
Come on.
Yes. Is it because of 100 naira that you are calling me? So you cannot come to my shop?
There is no money.
Take. Next time, call to my shop and buy it.
Stay, I'm sure say stay out.
Show yourself. I keep searching and searching and searching.
They left here not too long ago. He even said he wanted to give you presidential goodbye. Yes. So he said he will come to the park to look for you.
But we didn't see any of them at the park.
Here. Okay now. If you say the message you have for him is very important, I think I should direct you to his house. So you go there and look for him. When you follow this road in front of my house, you go straight. That big udala tree. You turn left. Follow that street to the end. You will see a junction. Ask for Mr. Ikpe's house. Oh no, Mr. Ikpe. He's a very popular man.
Okay, sister, you said Mr. Ibe?
Yes.
Okay. Auntie, our things are still here. We'll come back and pick them.
That was it. So what are me meeting in water? And you want?
Love of my life. Angel of my
Meaning of this?
See, it is meaning that you and Woko Wankita will be buried with this coffee for saying that I will not enjoy myself in this village again.
What, brother? I don't want to ask you whether you the best. Whether you the best, I've been the best you be. But I want to know something. Now, who tell you our name?
Now, me be Jaja Ishwambe. Now, me be the show maker in this village. Before Natu. Nemanya Kanyabus, come steal my show. And today you go end here.
Look at you, get luck. You hear me? You get luck. Even if you say, where would they go? very important. More than you and this your coffee. Yeah?
Hey, boss, go.
Forget it.
Okay, yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Look on.
Hi. You see, we want to enjoy.
For better, you for this.
Please, I suspect that you have this thing all well planned out. So you can spend some time with that village lampoon.
Watch what you call him. Do you understand me? If you don't want to go with me, you go back to Azuka's house. I need to spend this 1 hour with him before Francis gets here. Wait. I'm sorry. I can't understand you. Flo, are you okay? Are you okay? You don't understand. And you will never understand. Watch me fall foolishly in love with this nobody you call him and enjoy myself.
God, I love this woman.
We're looking for Mr. Ibe's house. They say he's somewhere around there.
If you get to that junction, take the left. The first house.
I love this
okay, thank you.
Angel of my life. I don't look around. I don't search around for you. My mind is optimistic. My heart is so enduring for you.
Vlogs just left here right now. She's going on her way to your house to look for you, and she's the reason why I'm waiting here. Their bags are still here. In fact, if you go now, you will get them. I'm not sure they've gotten to you.
Thank you.
God, I love this woman. I love this woman of my dream.
If it is my own Nkete and Wanketa that you're looking for, then you have to go and come back tomorrow.
Why, sir?
Because there is no way they will be home by this time of the day. In fact, let me tell you something. They are the best thing that has ever happened to this community. They combine work with entertainment. They help those who doesn't have, even though they don't have much. They don't go looking for trouble. But if trouble comes, I scatter it. They are the first male tenants I ever had in this house. Who doesn't bring in girls? You are the first girls who have come to visit them. And I'm quite surprised. And above all, they have taken me as their father. And me, I see them as my sons. So tell me your names and your vision.
Sir, Floxy, and this is my cousin, we've met and we became friends. So we're about leaving. I said, let me come and see him at least and say goodbye.
And also tell him that you love him, isn't it?
No, sir.
Look, young girl, don't pretend. It will not make you less a woman. The man you're looking at was a big-time player in Equatorial Guinea. I played in bands for 12 years and I've had relationship with both Africans and Portuguese women. And I know when a woman is in love because I've had girls fight over me in my heydays.
It's just that...
Listen, young woman, your eyes are filled with love. And Nkete is the best thing ever for you. He doesn't have much, but he has things that money cannot buy. So please, go and I'll tell him that you came.
Sir, can't I wait? At least, let me wait.
Till when? I just told you that they cannot be home by this time of the day, until it's night.
Maybe for 30 minutes, and if he doesn't return, then we shall leave.
In that case, go in here and pull out the bench. Wait for me.
Thank you.
Love is beautiful, you know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful, you know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful.
I know it, so it is. True love can only be found in a pure, serene place like my village, my house, my environment. Among two hearts that are poor in cash, but very rich in the heart. Hug, kiss, and do whatever you want to do, my children. You can live on the rocks, on the tree, and never worry about anything, so long as the love is real and pure. What have I said wrong now?
If I visualize them, then I must achieve them, cause I understand them, and I believe them. This thing is delicate. Love would undergo insane. I done the hide them, but now I won't show them. Show me that you woman will go love me pass money. I go give them everything. She go be my everything. You can call me Mumu, you can turn me around, understand. You can play me while you love would that make me go. No be lie. But I know one day I go find my own. But until that day, I no go rest here. Love would not go low, love would not mad. Such a love would not the beg love to fall in love for what this thing is dedicated. I'm gonna no be play.
See, babe, you mean I see the way I the whole you to the whole you hard. But I know say in my heart, you did everywhere for inside my heart. In fact, when I hold you like this, you get that you could come up on my chest. Boo! I don't know what I could do again. I beg, if I hold you too hard, maybe forgive me.
Kitty, stand up! Stand up. See, I just wish you could hold me like this. But the thing is that sometimes I realize that something might go wrong. And everything is happening at a time. I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Afraid is good. Please, I'm not doing anything. I'm not to take care of you. Nothing happened. Anything will happen. Nothing will separate us. I feel so mad. Make her die. Make her die.
That you don't love me, but I don't know, I don't just get it. Everything is just happening at the same time. But I love you. I love you, and I want you to know that I love you.
Hey!
Nkiti, smile now. Nkiti! Kitty! Kitty!
What are you doing?
I didn't do anything to him. I just kissed him and he fainted.
Hey. You kissed him? You kissed him and he fainted? Hey, don't you understand that this man has sickness? Different type of it. And Dr. warned, nobody, on no account will he kiss a woman or sleep with him except they cure that sickness.
Please stop talking. Let's get someone to cure him. Maybe a doctor, please.
Don't go. Oh, you want to stay with him? After all the whole sickness I told you that he's carrying, you're here. What are you telling me? Lost talking? I told you this man carries sickness, including epilepsy and confusion. You want to stay with him?
Can you just stop talking? Let's get a doctor, somebody to cure him, please.
Other guys that find this kind of sickness, they run away. And you're here telling me you want to stay with you. Go talk.
Please, leave me alone. Kitty.
Okay.
Kitty. Kitty. Please, I love you, Kitty.
You love me?
Please wake up. I love you. Please stop. Kitty, help. Let's get somebody to
you there here?
Let's
go. You there here?
I kiss you.
You bless my
I love you. Please wake up.
You know?
He's dead. Let's go.
Back on. Bye bye. Oh.
No, let's go. See if you're crazy. Me, I'm not crazy. Yo. Did you hear him? He said he has six different illnesses. And you're here. So see, as you see me like this, I'm on my way to Lagos. Even if I have to trek like this, I will reach. I'm going to Lagos. Yes, that is enough. Enough of this rubbish. What's wrong with you? Are you crazy?
No, help me.
Okay, stay. I'm going home. Oh. You will not go. Okay, I'm coming.
Kitty, please wake up now. I love you, please. Kitty. Hey, why did I kiss him now? Why did I kiss him? What did I do? What is all this? Oh.
Excuse me, I won't be look. I beg you, brother. Please, we dey look for one Mr. Ikwe's house. Ikwe, the man, he black. He can't short, can't get big stomach like this.
Okay, Mr. Ikwe. I know the man.
Thank you.
Just go straight. You see a very big tree. Then when you see the tree, just ask anybody around that place. They will show you. The man. His house is close to that place.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, your officer. Fast. Look who they go.
Treat him. I promise I will pay anything. Please.
Stop crying. Kitty and Wanketa told me so many things about themselves, which I found to be true. But not even a mention of sickness, not to talk of 6 of different kinds. I suspect a big game here.
Push help me. What is going on? Everybody's just talking and nobody's doing anything. Kitty.
It's a game, like he said. I put it up to find out if you really love me and will always be there for me. And you did. Thank you.
Auntie Follows, I beg. I take off begging. No verse. See, you see this man guy there, we don't suffer. We don't suffer when we forget hand. See, in fact, confusion come from our head. But your side, you different.
Very well.
As you different, so now we go say, bah, we not go leave you. For this program, they say so, no forget them. I'm not go free for this life, leave her. If you say the woman, I will just do something for you like this.
Remember, you were the first person that gave me a gift. Unlike every other girl, that I put up some trials that failed matric. Understand me? But they mentioned so many sicknesses. Very well, you know that sickness is not something anybody can play with. Yeah. But having heard all this, you stayed put for me. I want to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are a wife material. God bless you.
Kitty, you can actually speak good English.
Yeah, so we're going to speak for Bororo. Leave Papa Shonza. English the way.
What kind of joke is this? What is going on?
Can I see you privately? Both of us.
Step aside, you. My money no they lie, you.
Where are these girls? Who could be keeping them? It's well over 2 hours and their bags are here. Who could be keeping them? They had better come. I have to go for more dance meeting.
Like I said earlier, true love is all conquering. I have a lot of farmlands that I can give you to cultivate and live here happily. Just because you are poor does not mean you don't have anybody. Whatever God has destined for both of you must surely come to pass.
Let's go. See, you need to see the thoughts of messages on your phone. The Commissioner for Culture and Tourism wants to meet with you tomorrow. So please come, let's go. After we'll come back as planned so we can help them as planned.
Mira, why now? Can't you just be patient? Why are you doing this here and now? Why?
But you told me that we came here to experience what rural dwellers experience. So that you can come back with your full capacity as the Miss Tourism. Please come, let's go. Is it when they declare missing on TV that we'll go? See me, I'm going. Come, let's go.
Wait, is this a dream or some kind of home video? From the last time I checked, I woke up sound and I'm still in my house.
Ogao!
I'm Mary. Sure, sir. Mary, what is it?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is it?
Ogana first, so before you go kill me, come bury me. Now, yesterday, I dey waka for cup, I dey waka the flower, water the flower. Now, you can see big motors, plenty big motors. They come park, come dey waka, people come dey waka for that. I can't dey suspicious something, say something won't happen. So I can't rush, can't go hide, can't dey listen to what they talk. It be like say they want say your muscle, as they say you not dey. I say like you, Ojo, nearly organ. So I can't try call your number. As I don't see your number, I no go. I can't call her Ikita 50 times. So I call her. Later I can't pick. I can't call her. Say, see what's in the apple. They want say Oga so say I beg. I want to take this Oga. You can say okay. You go give me police commissioner for police in Abuja. Say go give me the number. Make I call her. When I can't call her. As I call her, I can't come. As he come like this, I can't explanation. So I'm say, see you. Because say okay, make we go and make we can't look for my Oga. And I say make I come because me I not go there. Make person can say my Oga my son. Ojo, Ojo. Now you carry me come and look. Not first.
Oga, big Oga. Ejim chukwu ayo ka bayar. But like I tell you this in before I call this people, you not go grey at all. Mom good. And I know say today go be like this. Now I can say, I call them and come carry you. Big Oga, bayar.
This world is indeed strange and deep. So two people fell in love as paupers, not knowing that they are rich. What a world and what a love.
No, take me out from here. Mira, take me out from here. I fell in love with Kitty, the star boy. And not one rich man that disguised himself to be a pauper. Take me out from here. Take me out from here. Take me out from here.
Another love song, another dreams come true, another smile, another joy, a reason to live. After all this people's life, seeking for this love, the one who every thought I have, and every smile I put on, the reason for another day, the love upon my face. You were my everything, love of my life.
Mistake, babe. You are a brother found in another mother. in another village, in another town. Thanks for everything. You made my day. I really fell in love with a little girl, village girl, beautiful girl. Thinking I've found the girl who will keep my heart for me. But unfortunately, hearing such kind of wind, whatever. In due course, I'm going to invite you over. Thank you very much. Let me go back to Lagos and take care of things.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful.
This is a big theme. I wish I can see those who do all those Nollywood movies. Just when you think it is over, it is just beginning. Will it ever be over? Watch out. I am still watching.
Enough of broken night, enough of crying tears, enough of sleepless nights. Now I'm living like a king. Everything seems so
See, baby, you know me like the way I tell the whole, I told the whole you hard. But I know, say, for my heart, you did everywhere for my heart. In fact, when I hold you like this, you know, you will come in from my chest. Ooh!
Stand up! Stand up! See, I just wish you could hold me like this. But the thing is that sometimes I realize that something might go wrong.
That's why I sing the song. You're beautiful.
Me also, I like living things. That's why I decided to play this. As you wish me life, I wish you life too.
Oh, this wound up.
Love is beautiful in your eyes. Love is beautiful. Right up in your eyes. I see my future clear and bright. Everything is real. Everything is real. My jeans. Enough of sleepless nights. Now I'm leaving.
If I hold too hard for
everything seems so right. Since you arrived, what more can I say? You're the queen of my world, of my world, of my world. Baby, you're my everything. I give it all to you. I give it all to you.
Smile now.
Anybody else has to say. You're so beautiful.
I think I overreacted. He wanted what I also want, and then we met each other. And out of foolishness, I let him go. Now where do I go looking for him? Mirabel is now on me to marry him after discovering how rich and connected he is and the family he comes out from. But I would have still married him, even as a village garbage collector and entertainer. Who will help me? Where do I start looking for him after working out on him? Where? How? When?
Forgive me if I ask this question.
My baby.
Do we intend to to have.
I told you I was going to find
love to have a boy and girl sitting side by side, mommy and daddy playing every single day. What a perfect picture, the dream of my life. I worked every single day for this, yeah.
I sold my life. Method of fire me. Yes. If you see where they supply people for any market, you know. Hey! You don't talk with me. Don't when I come like this. Hey! Open the gate. Open the gate. Open the gate.
Hey, Oga, no, best. Where they go like this?
I get one business where I don't want for them.
Okay,
and they come.
You know where you carry out a sieve from all over your body, okay? You say, I open gate. Okay?
It be like say I done the grace, but me